This is a video for Early Bird, the List B piece for Grade 3 clarinet. And having a look at this piece, it says briskly and 4/4 times, so fairly quick, and a nice loud intro here, you can see. One or two things to have a look at here. Important just to sort of pick up on some of the articulation marks here. So da 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 ta 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 ta. Just see if you can get the ta 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 ta. I'm probably singing that in the wrong key, but so if I just play the phrase from that C there up to the G. Practice getting the articulation really nice on that phrase, because you've got lots of that very similar kind of articulation coming up later on as well. Okay, the scale here, you've got quite a tricky little scale here. So basically G major scale, ascending, but just going up to the A. So you can practice counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So that phrase there also has a crescendo. Maybe we could just practice the 4 bars from bar 9 up to the 6/4 bar there. So we're going to talk about that in a moment. Watch that little time change there, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, so practice these little bits separately, and then we're going to have a look at some of the timing changes, because you're changing from 4 beats in a bar here to 6 beats in a bar. So after you play the scale, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and da 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 da, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1, da da da. Okay, so make sure once you played ta 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 ta, rest, 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 rest. 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, maybe try that. Okay, so we'll just go from the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, so that's quite tricky. Again, we've got the change here to 6/4 and then back to 4/4 here. So here we're going to start on the 4th beat, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1. I'm going to play from that G, and I'll count the rest out loud for you, and then come in on those first pair of quavers there, okay? So I'm going to count 3 and then come in on beat 4. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 1. Okay. Now, senza roll without slowing down there at the end, so you're going to get quieter but not slowing down, okay? So I'm just going to play the whole thing from start to finish. I'll try and put in some of the dynamics for you, and then you can practice all these little bits at home, okay? So it says briskly at the start, so I've put my metronome on there for about 120, so it's a little bit slower than the written tempo there, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good luck practicing it, and hopefully I'll hear you playing it soon. Okay, bye-bye.